Hi friends, you're most welcome in our YouTube channel nrresearchcentre. So friends, we are going to talking about right now new upcoming phone Realme GT Neo 6 SE, and also friends, this mobile phone have a lot of great features. So friends, if you are firstly visit at my channel, in case you please subscribe our channel and leave a comment for any queries. So friends, in case if you're talking about this mobile phone have a lot of light thickness, light 8.65 mm have thickness. If you're talking about the weight of this mobile phone, then you can got 191 grams. If you're talking about the IP rating and also dust resistance, then you can got IP65. And also if you're talking about the display, then you can got 6.78 inch AMOLED display in this. So if you're talking about the pixel capacity of this mobile phone, then you can got 1264 into 2780 pixels. And if you're talking about the display refresh rate, then you can go at 120 Hz has a good refresh rate of this mobile phone. And also if you're talking about the peak brightness of this mobile phone, then you can go 6000 nits has a good and also a good peak brightness. And when we are going to talk about the screen protection of this mobile phone, then you can got is Gorilla Glass Victor in this good supporting of the screen protection. If you're talking about the pixel density of this mobile phone, then it can got 450 pixel per inch. And if you're talking about the OS version of this mobile phone, then you can got Android version 14. And if you're talking about the processor of this mobile phone, then you can got Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 has a good processor. And also if you're talking about the RAM capacity of this mobile phone, then you can got 8GB RAM, and also you can the RAM is expandable, like you can easily expand like 5GB and also 8GB. If you're talking about the internal memory of this mobile phone, then you can got 128 and also 256GB in this. True variety. Talking about this mobile phone has camera, then you can go on dual camera in this mobile phone like 50 megapixel and also 8 megapixel. If you're talking about the front camera, in case you can go to 32 megapixel has a good front camera capacity. And also if you're talking about the battery capacity of this mobile phone, then you can go to total near about it's the good battery capacity like 55 mAh 100 milliampere hour. And also if you're talking about the charger capacity of this mobile phone, then you can got near about 100 watts super book like 50% in 12 minutes. You can easily got this feature. When you experience about the charging capacity, then you can got a lot of cooling, a lot of satisfaction about the charging. And also if you're talking about the network, 5G bands, then you can got total 8 bands in this mobile phone. If you're talking about the Wi-Fi version of this mobile phone, then you can got Wi-Fi 6E supporting and also BT version supporting like 5.4. And also you can got your fingerprint sensor position on the screen. And also if you're talking about the price range of this mobile phone, then you can got totally near about 19,500 INR in Indian rupees. Is the expected launching date 16 October 2024. Like this mobile phone has been launched, but this is not officially a date. So friends, I hope you are loving my video. In case if you really love my video, then please subscribe our channel. Also leave the comment if you have any query, then please you leave the comment in the below section. So friends, we will be meet in the next video. And if you are really like our video, then you leave the comment, like and subscribe our channel. So friends, let's bye bye, see you, take care friends.